have a group of 6, so A, B, C, A, B, C. Here we have a group of 5, A, B, C, A, B. It doesn't matter that there isn't another C. So can you just very quickly in your groups allocate A, B, C within your groups? Done? Shouldn't be too difficult.
So A, B, C, A, B, C.
Okay? If you're A, stick your hand up. A's, hands up. Okay, B's, 2 hands up. C's, 2 hands and wave them.
3 hands up.
Right. Now, please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. In your brochures, don't look. In the pack, there is a set of 3 handouts. Don't look. Yeah. And they look something like this. Don't look, not yet, please. Don't look. Yeah. And it says task C, task B, task A. Okay? No, please don't look. No, please don't look. Please don't. I'll tell you. Just wait. Wait. There are 3 handouts, A, B, C. If you're A, you only look at A. If you're B, you only look at B, and if you're C, you only look at C. Not yet! Please, hold on. It's very important. Ladies, gents, please, don't look, not yet. How's that for engagement, huh? When I tell you, and it's very important we all do this at the same time, that's why I'm saying don't. When I tell you, I want you to find either A or B or C and read the instructions. Table at the back, you're not watching. I want you to read the instructions at the top because they're very important. Each person, A, B, C, has slightly different instructions. Okay? So the first thing you need to do is read your instructions. And then you do the task. Let me finish my instructions. Now, if you're A, it says work in groups. Not the group you're in now, but A's, you need to find some other A's in the room. Okay? If you're B, please listen. If you're B, it says work with your partner, not on your table, but B's, you need to find another B. If you're C, I hope you're C, change. Because if you're C, you work on your own. So, one more time. If you're A, when I tell you, you need to make a group of 3 or 4 A's. So you need to stand up and find some A's. If you're B, you work with 1 more B. And if you're C, you work on your own. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's search for
You're an A, join the group.
Write your answer in the table below. There is one example for you. Then respond to the task above. Okay, so we have 8 words. One is done. Differentiated instructions is a which one? Of teaching. Okay, so one. Oh, sorry. Okay. Philosophy of teaching and wage, which recognizes that each learner. So wage, which learner is rigorous so we said for C, which
to the uniqueness. The same time,
which recognizes that each learner is doing exactly the same initiated instruction is philosophy of teaching and learning, which recognizes that each learning is unique. هذه الكونسبت هلا ايش نسوي؟ شو نعمل؟ نرتب ترتيب لا بس كمان نجيب تكون اكل لا differentiate ايش داعي نسوي؟
Really? A long time ago.
Yeah, 4 years ago. جد كنت أدرس جامعة
Okay, ladies and gents, can you now go back? Go back to your original table, please. Go back to your original table. Go back to your original table. Okay, now, please listen. What I want you to do now, please listen. Ladies, gents, ladies, just sit down now. You're now back in your original group, so you've got a mixture of A, B, and C. What I want you to do is look at each other's handouts, and you'll notice that you have a different version of the same text. So share your handouts between each other and see if we can come up with the correct answers. Share all of your ideas. instruction is a philosophy, it's an idea, a concept about teaching and learning which recognizes that each learner is unique. And unique means different, special if you prefer. So, as a teacher, if you accept that everybody is different, then you're halfway to implementing differentiated instruction. The next part says that differentiation is rigorous. Yeah? There's no holes in it. It's fixed. It works. It's very relevant because it appeals to individual learners. It's not easy to understand to begin with, but there's a great amount of flexibility in it. And if you can take all of that on board, then you're responding to learners' differences. And the third part, and this is the key and the most difficult challenge for teachers, is that in the differentiated classroom, not every student is doing exactly the same thing in exactly the same way at exactly the same time. Now, if you think about the activity that you've just done, the ABC activity, that was an example
I'm not doing the same thing
of this. You're all doing something different in different ways in different times in the classroom. It is a bit like a jigsaw, yeah, but slightly different. Hopefully what you've noticed from the handouts is that A had a different handout from B, and B had a different one from C. Same text, but I presented it to you in different ways. Based on what?
Our learning styles.
Learning styles and... Okay, yeah, so same learning styles and different levels, yeah? Now obviously for you, because I don't know you, I just did ABC randomly. In fact, you did ABC. But if it was with my class of students, I know who needs A, I know who needs B, and of course I know who needs B. So, can I ask you to... Yes? Okay, we'll come to that in just a minute. Just a minute, yeah? Can I ask you now, in your groups, to answer these three questions? Which of the activities A and C were the least and the most challenging? Find important differences between A, B and C, and what conclusions. I'll give you a couple of minutes to work through the questions. Can you do it afterwards? Sorry,
يعني أنا the way I understood this question إنه is it harder to work on your own than which is ladies and gents. Which was the least challenging of the three? A, B, C. It should be A. And we'll look at why in just a minute. And which is the most challenging? C. Now, question 2. If we answer question 2, it will tell us why A is the least and C is the most challenging. So what differences did you notice with A? Why is A the least challenging? Yeah.
Okay, so we had the whole text. Right, and we have a word bank. So we need to take one word from the word bank and put it into the gap. That's one reason. Good. Lady in red. Sorry? Yeah, the A students are working as a group. So you get help from your friends. Yeah, good. That's a second reason. Another reason why A is the least challenging. Yes, madam?
It doesn't have much writing.
It doesn't have
Much writing.
much.
Writing.
Right. How much writing does it have?
Letters.
Right. There's no writing. Students don't have to write the words, they just write a number. So we've got three reasons. There's more reasons why A is less challenging. Right. Right. You're finding words